Yeah, he's scratching his face, huh?
Yeah.
Can you show me the puppies?
Where's the husky?
Where's the husky? That's the Yorkie. Where's the husky? Good job. Which other ones do you know?
I know that one.
What's that?
I know it.
What's it called?
Yorkie.
Yorkie, that's right. Which other ones do you know?
I know the bulldog.
The bulldog.
I know it.
Uh-huh, very good. Which other ones do you know?
I know the dachshund.
Very good.
I knew it.
You know that one too.
I know the German Shepherd.
The German Shepherd, uh-huh.
The German Shepherd.
And what's the other one by your hand? What's the one by this hand?
I know. Dalmatian.
Dalmatian. What's the one up on the top?
It's climbed up.
What's that?
I climbed up.
You're going to climb up there?
And now I climb
What's this one called?
Yorkie.
Not a Yorkie. It's a border collie. Good job. What's that one up there?
Beagle.
A beagle. Hold on, can we do the other ones?
Yes.
Yes. What's this one called right here?
Why did you do this one?
We did those. What's this one?
Newfoundland.
Newfoundland. What's this one?
German Shepherd.
And not the German Shepherd. What's this one right here?
I know that one.
A Setter. Good job. Where's on the bottom? What's that white one on the bottom right there?
Poodle.
A poodle. Good job. You like those puppies?
Yes.
Yeah. Say thanks, Nunu, for my book.
Thanks, Nunu, for my book.
They love you.
Love you too. She tore that page.
Oh, yes, he tore that one. I'll have to fix it.